OCOM is a China national high-technology enterprise, recognized as a leading one-stop supplier for POS-related hardwares and trusted by Fortune Global 500 companies. Our comprehensive product portfolio includes POS machines, thermal printers, barcode scanners, cash drawers, and a range of other POS peripheral hardware. These products find extensive application in retail, restaurants, lottery, banking, transportation, logistics, and various other sectors. Our commitment to quality is reflected in our ISO, CE, FCC, RoHS, BIS, SONCAP, POA, and other essential certifications. Established in June 2007, OCOM has been dedicating to pursue premium technological innovation, constantly enhancing the product and service to deliver more advanced and dependable solutions to our customers. Through a combination of independent development and collaborative research efforts, we have secured an array of patents and introduced a string of high-tech products with a strong competitive edge, significantly increased market share. We proudly serve over 3,000 customers across 165 countries, including 50 of the largest distributors in their respective regions. Our customers include famous brands such as Unilever, O2, and Star Micronics, etc. OCOM's mission is to be the compelling choice for our partners, based on our three basic beliefs: integrity-based, strive for excellence, win-win cooperation. We are dedicated to building stable and reliable partnerships with customers worldwide. We welcome OEM, ODM collaborations and are eager to explore how we can work together to achieve greatness. Together, we quest for the best.